Yeah. Hey everyone, welcome, welcome today to our airport review here. Yeah, I know. If you don't know me, my name is Captain Javi Gonzalez. Yeah, and I do plane spottings mostly, and sometimes over here show airplane reviews. Yeah, and there's one that I want, and there's no one that I want to show you. Yeah. Alright. Yes. So 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 let me go ahead. Yeah. Oh, and that's a nice one here. Yeah, love that. Here. Yeah, yeah. Hey, that's a very nice one. Yeah. Let me go get the other one. And this, yeah, that's my other one. Yeah, you guys will see. And so this airplanes here. I got them for my birthday. Yeah, one of my uncles gave them to me. Yeah, and they wonder why they look super awesome. Yeah, let me see here. Let me spend these things. Yeah, so this one's to one of my youngs. I don't know how much that they cost them. Yeah, but they look so cool. Yeah, yeah, and so yeah, they're super nice. Oh, and I guess that's it. I mean, yeah, for today. And if you like the video, make sure to subscribe, like, share. Leave, if you like this, please leave a comment down below, and hit the notification bell. Yeah, and so maybe see you tomorrow for a plane spotting over here from my house backyard. Have a, have a good night, everybody.